So guys, nakikita mo ako. Hello. Nasa Kabanban Clinic po kami again. And this is what I'm telling you, the NAD, na pwede mong puntahan dito sa Kabanban Clinic, na talagang the reason why we're so powerful, beautiful, with a heart. Pero feeling ko mag-usap ka mag-usap pa. Hindi masakit. So very helpful talaga siya sa akin. And one thing is, it's gonna make you young, look young. I know you have seen other celebrities doing this. May mga artista nang gumagawa. Pakita mo sa kanila yung. Para din siyang gluta, but this one is a different level, guys. Doing the left side. If you feel like your face is, or your pisngi is malaki na or malapad na, meron na palang ganito. So once again, this is C-lift for the firming and for the lifting of the face para mas maliit siya tingnan.